record. Jump. So welcome again, everybody. Johnny no Yagi. Section of the na but everybody's here. That's good. Got a good break. Got a you're fresh. You're wanting to say, okay, we got January is almost over, so it'll be February, March, April, May. Guess what? 4 is a good number. 4, 4, 4, 4. As far as your school. If you're a senior, please, if you don't have, if you have, whoops. Did I just, I might have just got somebody, oh, there we go. We got it, So we got about 23 of us, 24 of us here. And so yeah, let's keep going. Let's finish the year. Let's have the seniors get both Navajo 1 and Navajo government's class out of the way. If for some reason, well, for seniors, this is for seniors, we need to get the Navajo government's class finished by the end of April. That's our aim. That's our goal. Because I don't want to go into May because it's graduation and all that. Because I need to put in the grades so we can get the grades on to the transcripts, to your high school transcripts. And that's the only way the Navajo Nation will honor. You're applying for the Shaaníłtsoos scholarship. Okay. Yeah, if you have questions, just put it into the chat. Other than that, let's begin. All right, let's see, where do we begin? Okay, overall, Shaaníłtsoos, that's paper-like, Shaaníłtsoos. Sometimes a thing could be stiff. For example, this is flat. This is flat. Okay, this is flat, but it's not flimsy. So a paper is flimsy. A paper from here. A paper is flimsy, but flat. Okay, so anything that's paper and flat will be Shaaníłtsoos. Shaaníłtsoos. You give it to me, kind of idea. Command. All right. So in this, let me go through the words. So everything's going to be a Shaaníłtsoos. But I don't only use one example. You could have a flat paper sack or something like that. It could be flat Shaaníłtsoos, but most of the time it's paper. So what I did is I said, let's practice the colors, the colors, yeah. So I might say Shaaníłtsoos. Shaaníłtsoos means paper. That's the name for paper. And then the color. So what we're saying is the yellow paper, Shaaníłtsoos, Shaaníłtsoos. In our commands, we'll say iki. Okay, right there, iki. Shaaníłtsoos. Cut it go. Dot is jiggy. Dot is jiggy. Iki's right there. Ish. So cutlet means if you look in the water, there's sometimes you can see this green algae. Green algae is called cutlet. Ka means water. Tlit means the leftover things in the water. Cutlet go. Go just says like. Cutlet go. Dot is like. Green like the algae, green algae. Okay. So there's three of these that says dot is. I only put two. One is yago dot is. This kind of yago reminds of the sky color. So you say ya, yago, like the sky, like the color of the sky, dot is. Dot is like you use it for green, you use it for blue, and you use it for purple. But I didn't use purple today. Anyway, so Shaaníłtsoos, Shaaníłtsoos, the paper that's yellow. Cut it go dot is okay. Shaaníłtsoos, let's say Shaaníłtsoos first. Shaaníłtsoos, cut it go dot is Shaaníłtsoos, cut is the one, the paper that is green is what you're saying. Shaaníłtsoos, cut it go dot is and then we can also say Shaaníłtsoos yagodot ishigi, the paper, the blue paper is what you're saying, the blue paper, the one that is blue, the blue paper. Shaaníłtsoos yagodot ishigi. And let's say we want to use yagodot ishigi, Shaaníłtsoos yagodot, the paper that is blue. We got all kinds of paper here, but the one that is blue, the way you say it is, they're all Shaaníłtsoos, but I want this particular one. Shaaníłtsoos yagodot ishigi, Shaaníłtsoos Shaaníłtsóós, Shaaníłtsoos Shaaníłtgodot ishigi, Shaaníłtgodot ishigi. All right, how do we use it? Well, we greet each other, yad, and if you're the girl or the lady, and you're older, and you're talking to a little girl or a little sister, you say yad shidera to, so it'll be in our case it'd be two girls, right? Two girls. One is the older one says the question, yad shidera. Ashwade, remember that Ashwade, please. Ashwade Shaaníłtsoos Shaaníłtsóós. There's the igi right there. Shaaníłtsoos Shaaníłtsóós. Shaaníłtsoos. And then your little sister would say, Yad oh, we don't need to say Kashmish. Yad shate, not shana. You say shate. Respond back. Yad oh, let me see. Let me do this first. Let me go quick change so you don't get stuck on this. All right, here we go. Quick change. Take that out so you don't need to say that. And instead of rope light, it's paper. Paper. Okay. Paper. What did I do? Yeah, there you go. It'd be paper-like object. And then let's see if there's anything else. Yeah, this is paper. Paper. Okay, this is paper. Oh, we got that. Oh, we got it. Going back to view. Okay, here we go. So anyway, yad shidera. So if it's a girl, yad shidera, and you're talking to another girl, and you're called shidera, and the little girl would say, yad shade. That's your sister response. And then if it's a little boy, we'll go down here. Okay, here we go. Yad shade. Shaaníłtsoos Shaaníłtsóós, Shaaníłtsoos. I'm giving you this yellow paper. And your older sister said, yeah, shidera. And you say, la shade. And that's the end of the conversation. All right, let's do another one. Let's go over here. This is Shaaníłtsoos. Notice the difference between yellow and orange. So what's the difference? You can see an X in this one. You can see no X. The X is like H sound in English. So just an emphasis on hogi, where over here, yellow, you don't. You just say tlitsogi. You don't have to say tlitsogi. So one is an emphasis, one of it is kind of just normal. So that's how you tell in your ears, the way you hear it. Oh, that's yellow. Oh, that's orange. If I said tlitsogi, that's yellow. Yeah, Shaaníłtsoos. Just open up your mouth a little bit more. All right. You say, Shaaníłtsoos. Maybe the end of your conversation. And here, normally you say klichi with two eyes, right? But because we have a icky, we just say klichi. All right. Shaaníłtsoos. Or Shaaníłtsoos, 2 A's. You stretch it out. Right? Tlaka is this white, but tlakagi, the one that is white, right? Last one is the color Shijin, which is black. Shaaníłtsoos Shijiniki. Shaaníłtsoos. Shaaníłtsoos. See, so somebody calling here. Let's see. Somebody might be calling soon. Let's keep going. All right. So if you're interested in, let's get Amanda in here. If you're interested, say, oh. I'll do the question and actually command. That's all you're doing, commands. Yeah, good. We got 4, 5, 6 going. Okay, good. The more we do it, the more we see, the more we understand, the more we can hear and also say it correctly. Yeah, say it correctly. So every once in a while, I'll say, okay, I'll say it, and then you say it. Okay. All right, let's go with Terrell, yellow hair, Yad. So I'll do it with you, Terrell. Yad, kinship term. I'm the older brother, but you're not Terrell, you're the boy, so I'm gonna go down here. Older brother to a young little brother. Yad Shitsele Terrell. Ashwin Shaaníłtsoos Shaaníłtsoos Shaaníłtsoos.
Yeah, Shishina na Nishsosh na Sosh Tlichinigi na Nishsosh.
I should select. And then you say no.
La Shina.
I'm done yet. Cool. All right. So now let's have you try a person. I want you to call or talk to Misha Cho. So you're the brother, older brother, and but she is the younger little sister. So okay, where is it? Where is it? Older brother. Where's the older brother? Oh, right, older brother, and she's the little sister, so Shadeja. So go ahead and say Shadeja to
Yate Shadeja.
Misha. Misha.
La. I mean, Yate Shadeja. Tashode.
Oh,
Not sauce. Flishinigi.
Shizindagi.
Shaaníłtsoos.
No,
Shaaníłtsoos.
no.
Hold up.
And you say
Shania
Shana.
is toast Shaaníłtsoos.
Yeah. Entonces, Shizindagi. And you say, Terrell, you say,
Ayahe Shadeja.
Shania.
Shana. Middle? All right. Misha, you okay, you talk to, let's see, who be, oh, Micah. So, yeah,
Yate Shania Ta Shadinas Post She. Oh, and the Shaaníłtsoos.
it's soggy, is that what you say? Soggy Shaaníłtsoos. All right. Oh, is that what you said? Kitsogi?
Yeah.
Okay, Kitsogi Shaaníłtsoos. All right, Micah, your turn.
Yat a sh
Shadeja. Oh,
shadej
no, you say Shade.
shade
Yeah, you're the little brother. And then you say,
na sauce liso Shaaníłtsoos.
yeah, so we know the sauce. All right.
Shana.
Oh,
La shade.
oh. All right, I need to make one change here. One change, right? Iggy right there. Iggy's got to go right here. There you go. The one that is. All right, back to view. All right, so Iggy and Iggy both have Iggy's on there. Okay. All right, let's go to Micah. You're the asking the command to Noah. All right, Noah, you're on. Oh no, Micah, go ahead.
Yat a shade.
Oh, let's see. Micah to Noah. Is that right? Oh, you say Shitsile. Shitsile right here. So your older brother, you're and the younger brother. Shitsile. So say yeah, there's Shitsile. Noah.
Yat a shitsile ta shon di nalsos sli igi Shaaníłtsoos.
Yeah, Shichigi. Okay, Nijo. And Noah.
Yat e
Shaaníłtsoos.
Oh. Shana.
Naltsos. Shaaníłtsoos.
Mm-hmm.
Shaaníłtsoos.
Mm-hmm.
Achiehe. Shaaníłtsoos.
Sele.
Shitsle.
Oh.
La Shaaníl.
Ah, really. All right, Noah, you're talking to Dana. All right, so you'll be the big brother, older brother, and you say Shadeja. Yeah, there's Shadeja.
Yate Shadeja. Ashwande Naltsos. Ligye. Ige. Shaaníłtsoos.
Shachigi or Shikagi? Which one were you thinking?
Ligye.
Okay, Shikagi Shaaníłtsoos. Okay. All right. Dana.
Shaaníl.
Okay. Naltsoos.
Naltsoos. Shaaníłtsoos. Shaaníłtsoos.
Uh-huh.
Yate Shitsle.
Oh,
Shaaníl.
no, Shana. All right, good. Candace. Yat ish beige. So how you start?
Shadeja. Tashode. Naltsoos. Shiligi. Shaaníłtsoos.
Naltsos Tlijenigi, Shaaníłtsoos. Okay. And Shana.
Yate Shaaníłtsoos Tlijenigi Shaaníłtsoos.
Uh-huh. Shadeja.
Shadeja.
And
La Shaaníl.
Shana. Really, good job. All right, Candace, you're with Luke. So Yat Shitsele.
Yate Shitsile. Ta Shode Naltsoos Ligai Shaaníłtsoos.
Shikagi, Shaaníłtsoos. All right, good. And then
Yate, it would be
maybe Shade.
Yate Shade, na Titsos, the guy ye, na Nistos,
Oh,
na Nistos.
good.
Here Shitsile.
La Shadi,
Shade. Mm-hmm.
Shade.
Nearly it. Okay, Luke, you are going to be Micah P. Micah P. Yat ish.
Okay. Yate,
Shitsele, I think.
Shitsele.
Right there.
Oh, Yate Shitsele, na
Ashwade.
Nistos. Oh, Tashode. Nastos, Leche, Egi,
Mm-hmm.
Shaaníłtsoos.
Mm-hmm.
Yate
Shana.
Shana which one again?
Naltsoos.
Naltsoos
Igi
Shachigi.
Shaaníłtsoos
Mm-hmm.
Shitsile
Mm-hmm.
Shina.
Mm-hmm. Juliet. Okay, Luke, you're going for not Luke. Micah P, you're going to talk to Amanda. Yeah, Ish Deja.
Yata Shidija. Tasho de Shaaníłtsoos Igi Shaaníłtsoos.
Naltsoos. Litsogi. Did you say Litsogi?
Oh, Litso
Oh, Litsogi.
Litsohi
Yeah, Litsogi.
Litsohi
Shaaníłtsoos.
Shaaníłtsoos.
Uh-huh. And Amanda.
Ja, Shaaníłtsoos Sisor Igi Shaaníłtsoos.
I Shade or wait no
Deja.
Shidija.
La Shana
Jana. Nijoni. Good job. All right, Amanda, you're talking to Kimbra. Not Ish Deja.
Shdeje. Okay. Ja, Shdeje Sat Shode Nasos Lagaigi Shaaníłtsoos.
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 Uh-huh. And Kimbra, your turn.
Yata
Shade. Shade.
Shadi. Which color?
Lagai.
Naltsoos Lagagi.
The guy agi nanish itself. La
Oh, what was that? Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Ja, Shdeje.
Deja.
La Shadi.
Uh-huh. Nijoni. All right. Let's see, Kimbra, you're talking to Fidel. Yeah, Ish Tsile.
Yata Shisila. To show de lit agi Shaaníłtsoos.
Uh-huh. Naltsoos Lachigi.
So say it again.
Naltsoos
Or
Lachigi.
Naltsoos. It's a gi
Shaaníłtsoos.
Shaaníłtsoos.
Oh, Nijoni. And Fidel. Shade. Naltsoos Lachigi. Shaaníłtsoos.
Yeah, that's one.
And then Kimbra, you say cat. Shana.
Shana.
Cat, Shana. And then Fidel, you say lung. Shade. Shut it. And la shut it. No. All right. Little microphone problem, but I heard it. All right. So Fidel, let's try it. Fidel, go to Karina. Yeah, Deja.
Yata Shide Na
Chaidigi. Which one did you say? Naltsoos. Litsagi. Shaaníłtsoos. Let's just go ahead and say Naltsoos Litsagi, Shaaníłtsoos. And let's go ahead and have Karina.
Iate Shanae Naltsoos Iltso Igi Nanish So.
Najam. Fidel, you say cat shatte. All right, his mic's on and in and out. So I'll be him and say cat shade.
La'a Shanae.
Okay. Oh, cat shadeja. And you say cat shana. Thank you. All right, let's keep going. Karina, you're talking to Dex. So yat ish itzele.
Yate Shitsele. Ta Shode Naltso Litso Igi Shaaníłtsoos. Shaaníłtsoos.
So. Hey, Dex, Nanana.
Yate did I just say Shade? Okay. Yate Shade Shaaníłtsoos. Litso Igi Shaaníłtsoos.
Oh,
Yeah, Shitsele.
Wa Shade.
nah, shut it. Good. All right, let's go on to Dex. You're talking to Jada. And you say yat Shitsele.
Yate Shitsele. Shashode Shashid go Dolchfish. Oh, sorry. Naltsoos Shashid go Dolchfish. Ige Shaaníłtsoos.
No, Patlegodotli. And
Yat she
oh, Shana.
shana tafta digo dosajigi Shaaníłtsoos.
Nalsos Patlegodotli Janstos. Nijan.
Ahe.
Shitej.
Ahe Shitsele.
La'a
Shana.
shana
Good. Yeah. All right. So Jada, hey, are we done? To the bottom. Shana. Whoa. Okay, we did all the that on the. All right. So if you were not participating, your job is to take this. Tomorrow I should have the recording right here, lesson 15. Listen to it so you get familiar, and then you go out and find your mom, dad, grandma, Sele, or Deja, and then you teach them the words, or maybe just teach them one or two, and they would choose, and they would say, you would say, yeah, they should Deja if it's your little sister. Ashwade Naltsoos Shaaníłtsoos. Shaaníłtsoos. And you can actually play it out. You can actually have a yellow and red as your example. This is Lichi, this is Litso, or Litso. And you teach them and say, Ashwade Naltsoos Lichi Shaaníłtsoos. And they'll go over and pick up the red paper, and they'll say to you, Yat Ishana Naltsoos Lichi Naaníłtsoos. And you say, yeah, Shaadeja, and she'll say, La Shana, and there it is. Then just email me and say, or text me and say, I did it. All right, it. Okay, anybody have any questions about colors? We didn't do every color, but we did probably the bigger portion. If you want to text me, that would be great. That's fine. All right. And let's see I'm not sure what our time is here. Okay. All righty. So that's it for today. The give me part is the paper-like object. Shaaníłtsoos. You could do it to like a t-shirt. Most times they say Shaaníłtsoos, but you could for a flat t-shirt. You could say Shaaníłtsoos, all right, because it's flat like paper. Or other things that are flat, Shaaníłtsoos, you know. Anyway, but it worked with paper, and I just switched it so we could practice the colors. We could have done the numbers, like I could have said Shaaníłtsoos Hago, but then that would be ja, because it's no longer what it is, but how many. All right, we might do one of those. It's called ja or shanti or shanja, Shaaníłtsoos or shanja. Probably just the ja, okay? But when I come up with it, I'll let you know. All right, I don't see anybody asking any question. So what you'll get today after this lesson is you'll get the lesson 15 on the PowerPoint. And then also you'll get particularly if you're a senior, all of you will get it, but you'll get a registration for Navajo government, which will be coming up the end of or as soon as possible. But you'll just register. We'll begin the next class March, same time, March Tuesday, March 4th, I think. Or something like that, I can't remember. Let me give you the correct date here. All right, here we go. It would be March. Monday's the 4th, Tuesday, March 5th. March 5th, we'll begin that class. All right, if you have any questions, even after this presentation, just go ahead and text me. And any other questions you have about this lesson today. Other than that, I'm headed out. See you Tuesday. I'm going it.
Thank you. See you Tuesday.
Oh, I'm going it.
Agone.
Ogone.
And let's stop the recording. Or